Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I have a cold. My son gave it to me, so I'm sorry. I'm just going to apologize to you guys in advance. I always get sick on the holidays. I hate it. But I went to Walgreens this morning. I ended up, going a little bit later than I usually do, but we have Easter lunch after I finish this video, so I want to get this done and over with so I can enjoy my Easter day. First day. It is warm outside. It's going to be a high of 77. So I thought it was going to be cold today, but once I get done with my video, I'm changing into a cooler outfit because it is nice outside. So I did some deals that are good all month long. Now, please keep in mind, this is the last month this is the last week for some of these deals, especially the big deals. So I wanted to share with you guys that I just wanted to use the coupons up because they will not be good. It's a new booklet, new monthly sale starting next week. So I ended up doing the Bic Silky Touch razors. Now these are these are buy one get one 50% off. They're $3.99. You guys only want to use one $2 off coupon because the other coupon is overage and Walgreens doesn't do overages on coupons. So you only want to use one $2 off coupon. You guys would pay $3.98 for the both of these, but then you guys will get 4,000 points for buying both of these. That comes out to be free, or like a 2-cent moneymaker. And this is a deal where you guys can pay with points and get points. So I had 2 of those coupons, so I ended up doing the deal twice because I could not pass up that deal. And my whole thing is like completely full. I'm sorry you guys, I need something to drink pretty much everything. Chocolate milk. I could drink water, but I just want chocolate milk. I did do the Soleil deal a different way. These were the Bic Soleil. This was $6.79. They were buy one get one 50% off. I used 2 $3 off coupons. Now this deal I did not use my discount for those who do follow my deals with the discount. I didn't use my discount because of the coupon overage. So that's what. But this was, I used 2 $3 off coupons. You guys would pay $4.18 for both of these. Again, 4,000 points you guys would get back. Again, you can pay with points and get points. These come to be 18 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. So I wanted to do that because this is the last week to get the Bic Soleil or any of the Bic brand razors. So if you guys have those coupons, definitely use them up. I also had those coupons from the Bic website. So if you guys have the coupons, that's good, or you can use them from the bic.com website. And the next deal I did is a Colgate Toothpaste. Now this is the same deal as last week, and this is a great deal. I just didn't have enough coupons last week, but now I had some. So these were $3.99. You guys want to use 2 $2 off coupons for the toothpaste. You guys would pay $3.98 for the both of these. But then you guys will get 4,000 points, making these absolutely free. And you can do up 4 coupons per transaction, so you guys can do this deal twice in the same transaction and get 8,000 points. And you can also pay with points and get points. So I definitely wanted to share with you guys on the Colgate deal. I love it. You should never really ever pay for toothpaste. I think the most is $1/4. So, and I am working on the price, stock up price, just to give you guys a heads up. I'm working on it. It's just going to be a while, but I probably won't post it until after the baby's born. So we got that. This is an easy freebie. Now you guys can do it with the mouthwash or toothpaste, but I have a lot of mouthwash and a lot of toothpaste. I don't have a lot of toothbrushes, and toothbrushes, they never expire. So that's why I did this deal. But right now these are $2.98. You guys, they come out to be $5.98. But in the Walgreens site, there is a $5.98 coupon, digital coupon that you guys can apply to it. So these become absolutely free. Now that coupon does end this Saturday. So if you guys plan on doing this deal like next week, it won't do it. It's got to do it this week only. And again, this was a deal I couldn't do with my discount because Walgreens doesn't do overages. So Easy freebie for you guys to do. So again, you can do the toothpaste, mouthwash, or the toothbrushes. But I did the toothbrushes because that's something I don't have a lot of in my stockpile. I have a lot of toothpaste galore, mouthwash, it's getting there. But yeah. Okay. So I wanted to do the All May Revlon deal, but my store was like wiped out on a lot of the wipes. So I kind of walk around the store because they have stuff in certain spots that you never know about. So I did find the All May wipes by the beauty counter. So I'm like, sweet. So these ones are $5.99. They're on sale right now for buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to use a 3 off of 2 coupon plus that 5 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys will get these for 98 cents for the both of them. That comes with like 50 cents a piece or 49 cents a piece. That's a pretty good deal. Now, yes, last week was a better deal, but some of you guys still have those coupons. Some of you guys don't want coupons to go to waste. Like, I hate it. Like, I love it when I can use as, like, you pay what? My newspapers in my area cost $4, but I mean, you pay like $4 for newspapers. Some of you guys pay less than that, or you know, and I have a ferry because of certain reasons. But I love it when you guys can like get one insert and you can get your money's worth out of it. Like, I love it, and that week is the best week for getting my money's worth out of it. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. With that, I have to empty my stock. My husband and I have like 3 boxes right here where I put all my stockpile stuff and then we put it away. But it's like full. It is full. We empty it all the time. All May eyeshadow. Now this was $6.99. $6.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to use two $2 off coupons plus the 5 off of 2 Walgreens booklet. You guys would get these for $1.48. Not the greatest deal, but I still wanted to share with you guys in case you want, you know, not to let those coupons go to waste. But it comes out to be like 70 something, 75 cents a piece. I think that's a pretty good deal if you guys are interested in eyeshadow. I ended up doing the Rimmel Bronzer. Now, all the Rimmel is 40% off, so if you guys really need makeup and you're brand specific, right now Rimmel's good. I don't think there's any coupons out there for you, but I really like their products, and I kind of was thinking of maybe using some foundation. Right now I use Ulta, but I don't know why. I'm a frugal person. Why don't I just use drugstore makeup? But anyways, I got the Rimmel Bronzer because it's summer out. Thought, why not start using some bronzer? So this was $3.59 with the sale price. You guys want to use the 3 off of 2 coupon that is in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would get these for $4.18. Again, not the greatest deal, but in case you guys are brand loyal or you need specific makeup, definitely check out the Rimmel. I want to share with you guys as many deals as I can, just in case, you know, you need it. And it's good not always paying full price for stuff, you know. Sorry, my cold is just, it sucks, and I have to keep stopping my video. But the last deal I got was the Pond's wipes. A lot of you guys like this deal. These are $3.49. They're not on sale or anything, so you guys would end up paying $6.98 for the both of these. But then you guys can get 2,000 points for buying 2 of them, and you guys also can submit a $1 rebate times 2 on checkout 51. You can do that deal up to 5 times, but with this deal I'd only do it 4 times because, or buy 4 of them because the 5th one's an odd number. But anyways, these come out to be $2.98 or like $1.50 a piece. If you guys are brand loyal, I know some of you guys really like these wipes over the other ones, so I wanted to share with you guys on that deal. But yes, that was my haul. It wasn't much, but I still wanted to share with you guys, you know, some deals. My cat's like right rubbing up against my feet. But my total came to $14.48. I did do 2 transactions, one with my discount, one without my discount. So $14.48 for both of them. I ended up getting $25 worth of points. I got the Bic razors. I got 4,000 points times 3. And then I got the Colgate Toothpaste, 4,000 times 2. And then I also got 2,000 points for the Ponds. And then I also had a 10 times everyday points when you spend 20. So that's how it factored in the $25 worth of points. And then I ended up, I will be getting $2 back from checkout 51. So my total came to $12.52 moneymaker. Now I did use some register rewards, but it still came out to be a moneymaker even without even using those register rewards. So I was pretty excited about that. I love hearing moneymakers every single time. I hope you guys enjoyed my Walgreens haul. I'm going to try to do a second haul for you guys if I find any good deals to share with you guys on that, because a lot of you guys are really liking the second hauls again. So I just wanted to share with you guys on that. But again, thanks for watching. Happy Easter, and see you guys later. Bye-bye.